Meaning of heed.
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 Heed. The word heed means to pay attention to or take notice of something. It can refer to listening carefully to advice or warnings, being mindful of someone's feelings or needs, or acknowledging and following instructions or guidelines. To heed is to demonstrate a willingness to learn from others and to respect their expertise or knowledge. By heeding advice or warnings, we can avoid making mistakes or experiencing negative consequences. Overall, the act of heeding involves being attentive, respectful, and receptive to guidance or input from others.